Hey, what's going on, guys? We're being another video where today I will be playing this amazing looking map called Ultimate Slime Parkour. It's a bit weird. Okay, so over here, sorry for the background noise if you guys can hear, hopefully not. And here is the creator. Created by StarkCraft. Level tutorial, alright. Right. Boing! Oh, okay, I get it. So I already think I already know how to do this for this thing. So this is a level tutorial, like where are we supposed to go? So are we like supposed to go through to the level? Oh, there's an invisible box over here. So we're gonna go into the level tutorial. Boing! Oopsies, that failed so horribly. So by this I can already tell that I'm gonna be so horrible. So yeah. Oh, come on. So I'm gonna be so horrible. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a big fan thumbs up for more. Here we go. And this is gonna be very hard. I did not cheat. Right, level 1, the mesa. Mesa. Something. Why is there water? Okay. So jump on here. Jump on there, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, he just closed his door. Hi. Thanks for playing. Level 1. Oh, I thought it was already the end. I was like, what? Okay, how is this jump possible? I can't complete it. Okay, let's go. No, I can't complete it. What does he say? Oh, we didn't go over the rules. Okay. Rules. Playing survival, right? Playing peaceful. Okay. Don't hack or cheat. Okay. Have fun, I will. Don't hack or cheat. Okay. Playing survival. Okay. So I did not cheat by going on the side, and I just made this jump. Why? Alright. Oh! We need to get it like on the last blocks. We can be able to complete this. Alright. It's gonna be very hard. I don't even want. Hopefully, this video is not as long. There we go. No! No, it's too slippery. My shoes are wet from the dropper. They're so wet. I didn't take them out to the sun. I was trying to record a dropper map. Well, like the dropper 3. I mean, dropper 4. Well, part 3. But I guess I failed in the recording. And I get to have to do it all over again. Because there are some very hard levels. So, yes. Boss! Oh my god, this is impossible! Alright, this was like literally impossible. I just had to go a little further and there I made it. Alright, what's next? Oh no, not more. Yes. Can I whether we go? Oh no, it's going to be horrible. I can already tell. No, I have to make it all over again. No. I'm just not doing it. I'm not going all over. I can't. Wait, I need to like. There we go. Oh no! I'm not going to do that jump all over again. Okay? Guys, I am not cheating. Please. Alright, this is normal parkour now. Okay, no it isn't. That is wrong. Haha, I completed it. Oh, no. Boom! Boom! I made it. Forget about what I did over there. That's normal. Okay, this time I'm not gonna walk on the wall. Okay? No. Just oh! Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna try a little harder. I don't even think this is possible. We can do this. We can do this. Boom! Alright. Level 2. Eyes. Oh no, I saw this in a screenshot. I was like, oh no, there's gonna be a nice one. No! Oh. Alright. Bah! Oh. So you cannot cheat in this one, alright? You see what you mean? Boom! Okay. But I'm not a cheater. I'm a winner. And I'm shooting. I do not like ice parkour. Especially with slimes, because, like, you bounce. And then, like, you bounce off. Well, like, you slip off. Ooh, it's so cold in here. At least I have a jacket. Not really keeping me that warm, but... Okay. Come on! I completed the first try. Not the whole thing. Only the jump. How am I not completing this? Come on now. You see? Boom! No! No! Just jump here and not make that. So yeah, sorry guys if I'm making you guys bored. But I'll try to make this entertaining as possible because all of my videos are really, really boring. But yeah. Boom! So I'm gonna stay silent because this really helped me. Staying silent make me cross. Alright, stay silent. Yes! Finally completed it. No! What's wrong with you? Ugh. Now I have to go back and do this whole thing back over again. Alright, we're here. We can make this jump. No! No! Yeah, no! Oh my god, I think I just flooded the whole place. I'm sorry, but I had to. I can't just go off like this. It was a very difficult jump. It was. Boom! There we go. Level 3, the Nether. Alright, at least this is nice. It's getting warmer. I think I should take off my jacket. It's very warm. Okay, let's not set ourselves on fire. Let's go back into the water. No, no, no. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? We are back on top of here. What? Go! We would have slipped off right there. No! Why did I jump into the water? Not every single time water is the key. Well, water is the key to survive. And if we didn't have water, then we would have been dead already. What am I talking about? Okay, now I can't pass this jump. That's just... I think I should be able to pass it. Because, you know, like, I'm a complete parkour boss. Yeah, right? Every single one knows I'm a parkour boss. Come on, hurry up. Can this be any slower? Why does water have to pull me back like this? Water, you let me down. We used to be buds. Whoa. What? I totally... Oh, my God. Alright. Ignore these blocks. Those were there. Alright, level 3 to nether. Let's go. Yes. Okay, now let's just... Oh! I just slipped off there. Oh no, not soul sand. Okay, we're gonna have to... There we go. Yes! Let's go. Oh no, it's like a tricky jump. There we go. We're doing good. Oh, I would have raged my butt off right there. And there we go. Thanks for playing. This is just a beta of the map. Well, guys, this was very short, but to not make this very short, wow. This map was indeed very, very short. But it was kind of, it was really fun, actually. For yours. It was really fun, but to not make this short, we're just gonna, like, try to see if we can, like, make it back. Yeah, we can't. But yeah, this was very, 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 very short map. It's only 3 hours, but it was very, very, very awesome. Very awesome. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, don't forget to leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to become a derp. And we'll see you guys next time. See ya!